Hi, this is Chuck Martin at the AI Summit in New York. I'm happy to have with me here Adam Smith, CTO, Chief Technology Officer of FedEx. Welcome.
Thank you, Chuck. I appreciate being here today.
So tell me a little bit, tell me about the scope of FedEx. How big is it these days?
Yeah, so FedEx is so when you think about kind of FedEx, and hopefully everyone has heard of FedEx, basically we operate in 220 countries around the world, 220 countries and territories. We support 98% of the global GDP. We have 210,000-ish motorized vehicles around the world every day. We've got 700 planes, over 500,000 employees, and move about 14.5 million packages a day around the world.
That's scale.
It is big, it is scale. It is.
So you've been there for 22 years. What's it been like in terms of an evolution?
Yeah, so I started at FedEx in Dallas 22 years ago. I started as a developer, and I worked my way up to the Chief Technology Officer I am today, and I was appointed 4 years ago. You know, it's been a great journey. I started supporting FedEx.com, and I moved to Memphis in 2015. And I think the reality is FedEx is a great company to work for because you can move around inside FedEx and have very different careers by moving functions or divisions inside the company. And one of the things that we really spend a lot of time focusing on in IT is making sure that our leaders inside FedEx have experience working in different areas of the company, because that diversity of experience really helps leaders understand how do we actually drive value for our business and our customers.
And what does digital transformation look like there?
As you think about the world-class physical network that we operate around the globe, and you think about kind of how that physical network has allowed us to drive digital solutions for our customers, we're thinking about that very differently now as a digital twin, and thinking about how does the actual data in digital drive decisions we make in the physical network. You know, as I mentioned earlier, we basically, we move 14.5 million packages around the globe every day. We collect a lot of data from all of those packages as they go through every access point and scanner in the network. A lot of that data allows us to make very different decisions to support how we run our business. And we're leveraging a lot of that data in ways that we never have before, as we're building a lot of more advanced models to drive greater efficiency in how we run our operation. Sitting on all of that data has really helped us rethink about optimizing how we run our business. Digital is kind of at the forefront of everything we're doing these days. In addition to running that physical network that we have, we're also looking at how do we deliver digital products moving forward. And so one of the advancements we've made in sensor-based logistics, we actually have a sensor-based logistics device, a proprietary device that we developed. And what we actually do, it gives us real-time visibility into where it is in the network, because we've updated all of our access points across the entire network. And so the first practical use case for this sensor-based logistics device was when we attached it to every COVID-19 package as we distributed those packages out during the pandemic. It gave us real-time visibility to where those packages were in the network. Also, some of the COVID vials needed to be temperature controlled. It gave us visibility to the temperature of those packages in the network at all times too. And if a package was sitting somewhere too long, the dwell time went past certain SLAs, it would tell us that the package has been dwelling too long and that we needed to get there and move it. With all that being said, we basically delivered all the COVID vaccine packages on time and as expected during the pandemic.
That's some serious tracking.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you so much. This is Chuck Martin at the AI Summit in New York.